Hello everyone, this is Irene Carion and welcome to my YouTube Cookery Classroom. Quarter 1, Lesson 1. Prepare egg dishes. Learning outcome. Mise en place. Overview. This lesson will provide you the essential knowledge and opportunities to develop skills and gain understanding in identifying, cleaning, and sanitizing kitchen tools, utensils, and equipment needed in egg preparation. You will be able to know the nutritional value and components of eggs, the characteristics of quality fresh eggs, and learn to identify the ingredients to be used for egg dishes. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to clean, sanitize, identify and prepare tools, utensils, and equipment needed in preparing egg dishes. Identify an egg's components and its nutritive value. Identify and prepare ingredients according to standard recipes. Perform mise en place. Mise en place is a French word which in a culinary term means putting in place or everything in its place. It refers to the organizing and arranging the ingredients that a cook will need for the menu items. Prepare egg dishes. Eggs are laid by female animals of many different species, including birds, reptiles, amphibians, a few mammals and fish, and many of these have been eaten by humans for thousands of years. Almost in our daily lives, we tend to eat eggs. Egg plays a major role in our daily meals. It can also be added to other ingredients to produce another dish. Kitchen tools, utensils, and equipment needed in egg preparation. We have wire whisk. It is used for whipping eggs or butter, also for mixing and for blending gravies, sauces, and soups. Offset spatula. It is a long, narrow, flexible metal blade with a rounded end and either a plastic or wooden handle to hold on to. Rubber spatula. It is a multi-purpose kitchen tool for scraping out the contents of bowls without scratching the surface, stirring and blending batters and other mixtures, and gently folding mixtures. Channel knife. Used mainly for cutting strips of citrus fruit rind for cocktail garnishes. Sieve. Made of a wire or plastic mesh held in a frame, used for straining solids from liquids, for separating coarser from finer particles, or for reducing soft solids to a pulp. Colander. A perforated bowl used to strain foods such as pasta or rice or to rinse vegetables. Pastry brush. A basting brush used to spread butter, oil, or glaze on food. Large perforated spoon. Large slotted and perforated spoons are long-handled spoons with holes in the bowl used to remove larger solid particles from liquids, used for mixing, stirring, and serving. Saucepan. A deep cooking pan, typically round lid made of metal and with one long handle. Omelette pan. A heavy based frying, usually of cast iron or copper, with rounded sloping sides used exclusively for omelets and never washed after use but cleaned with absorbent paper. Measuring spoon. It is used to measure an amount of an ingredient, either liquid or dry when cooking. Measuring spoons may be made of plastic, metal, and other materials. Measuring cup. A kitchen utensil used for measuring liquid or dry solid cooking ingredients such as flour and sugar. Mixing bowl. These containers have smooth, rounded interior surfaces with no creases to retain some mixture, and it is used for mixing ingredients. Egg poacher. A small bain-marie with an upper dish containing indentations each sized to hold an egg or contains separate device for poaching. Kitchen equipment. Refrigerator. A kitchen appliance where you store food at a cool temperature. Oven. A chamber or compartment used for cooking, baking, heating, or drying. Electric mixer. A handheld mixer which usually comes with various attachments including a whisk attachment for whisking cream, batters, egg whites, and sugar. Cleaning and sanitizing tools and equipment. Cleaning is the removal of visible soil, while sanitizing means reducing the number of harmful microorganisms by using very hot water or a chemical sanitizing solution. To be effective, cleaning and sanitizing must be a two-step process. Surfaces must first be cleaned and rinsed before being sanitized. There are many cleaning products or agents and a variety of equipment in the market. Choose the best for your workplace and follow instructions in the label. Ware washing is the process of washing and sanitizing dishes, glassware, flatware, and pots and pans either manually or mechanically. Manual ware washing uses a 3-compartment sink and it is used primarily for pots and pans. It may be used for dishes and flatware in small operations. Mechanical ware washing requires a dishwashing machine capable of washing, rinsing, and drying dishes, flatware, and glassware. In large operations, heavy-duty pot and pans washing machines have been designed to remove cook-on food. Please read Manual Dishwashing Procedures. The mechanical dishwashing procedures. Nutritional value and components of eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of several key nutrients, including vitamins A and D. It consists of approximately 9.5% eggshell, 63% albumin, and 27.5% yolk. The main components are 75% water, 12% protein, and 12% lipids, as well as carbohydrates and minerals. Vitamin A is needed for healthy eyes and tissues, while vitamin D works with calcium to support the health of your bones. Egg yolks are sources of choline. Choline is especially important for the detoxification of your liver through the processing of fats and cholesterol. If you choose to eat only egg whites, you lose all of these vitamins. One large egg is a rich source of protein, containing over 6 grams. An egg is considered a complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle and tissue development and support. A single large boiled egg contains The structure and composition of an egg. Shell. It is the outer covering of the egg, either white or brown in color. Membrane. It lines the shell and forms an air cell at the large end of the egg. Air cell. It is the empty space between the white and shell at the large end of the egg, which is barely existent in newly laid egg. Egg white or the albumen. It consists of three parts: the outer thin albumen, the middle thick albumin, and the inner thin albumin. Egg yolk. It is the unfertilized embryo in the egg, yellow in color. It is separated from the white by a membrane called the vitelline membrane. The yolk is high in fat and protein and contains iron. The main protein in the egg yolk is vitelline, a lipoprotein. It also contains phosphatin, which is high in phosphorus and has antioxidant properties, and lecithin, which is high in sulfur. Germinal disc. This is the entrance of the latebra, the channel leading to the center of the yolk. The germinal disc is barely noticeable as slight depression on the surface of the yolk. When the egg is fertilized, sperm enter by the way of the germinal disc, travel to the center, and a chick embryo starts to form. Since table eggs are not fertilized, this is not as easy to recognize as when the egg is fertilized. Calesa. The egg is kept in position at the center of the egg with the help of the calesa. It has a thick cord appearance and is composed of proteins. Characteristics of quality fresh eggs. A good quality fresh eggs display certain characteristics when broken out or intact of the shell. Please read. Salmonella is the most common cause of food poisoning from eggs and is easy to destroy in cooking by heating until the temperature reaches 71 degrees centigrade. Eggs should be stored in cool conditions less than 15 degrees centigrade to maintain egg freshness and peak performance. A few simple steps will significantly reduce the risk of food poisoning from egg dishes. Ingredients for egg dishes. So let's learn now and explore the various basic egg dishes. Hard-boiled egg is cooking the egg in its shell by boiling long enough to the albumen to solidify. It can also be done by steaming. Poached egg is an egg that has been cooked by poaching in simmering liquid. The term is also applied to a method whereby the egg is placed in a cup, suspended over simmering water, using a special pan called an egg poacher. Omelette is a dish made from beaten eggs quickly cooked with butter or oil, but not further stirred while cooking in a frying pan. Sometimes folded around a filling such as cheese, vegetables, meat, or some combination of the above. Scrambled egg is a dish made from beaten egg whites and yolks. Beaten eggs are put into a hot greased pot or pan and stirred frequently, forming curds as they coagulate. Fried egg. It is cooked in hot greased skillet. Cook lightly on one side only, sunny side up. Cook lightly on one side and turn over briefly, over easy. Cook on both sides so the white is solid but the yolk still soft and runny, over medium. And thoroughly cook on both sides with the yolk solid, over well. And with the yolk broken, over hard. French toast. Bread dipped in raw egg yolk is shallow fried on a pan, often topped with a sprinkling of powdered sugar, fruit or maple syrup. Deviled eggs. Yolks of hard-boiled eggs are mashed with cream or mayonnaise, mustard, and seasonings and then mounted or piped into the white of the boiled egg. Serve cold, often al fresco. This ends my video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching!